in Bradenton today doing a screen enclosure cleaning. Pretty good size one. It's got a lot of algae growth here. You can see it's really green right through here. This side is the greenest. A little leaf debris. Should get all that cleaned up. And then over here you can see as well. Not doing the actual pool deck, just the screen enclosure. The aluminum frame looks pretty good, but again, we'll just downstream this and should come off no problem. We're in the Rye Wilderness Community in Bradenton. Really nice homes. All right. Well, I should show you when I'm done. Just putting down some water on these plants before I begin, so make sure everything's real wet. We got a big old crepe myrtle that's right over the screen. Alright. Just applying a downstream mix. Use outside first and then go inside. All right, we are all done here. This screen enclosure doesn't have any more of that algae buildup on it, and all those tree debris is off of there. And yeah, it's looking really good. It was really green along this whole side here, but definitely much better. This is just drying here, so yeah, all done here. So just gonna wrap up and get out.